This week I was eagerly waiting to watch the season finale of the German web series Dark, and now when I have watched it, I can say it is one of the most satisfying ending in a series. It is one of those series which makes you confused and curious at the same time. This series succeeds on combining great writing with compelling characters, story, performances, tone, visuals. The complexity of its narrative makes it praiseworthy and admirable. In this season, the series focuses on Martha from another world who has taken Jonas to her world to help him find the origin when all the events in hers and his world started, answering many unanswered questions in season 1 and season 2 and revealing many secrets and mysteries behind many events, and how the apocalypse happened in both of their world is the whole premise of this season. So let's get into the review, presenting plus point and minus point in no particular order of this series. Attention to details. The attention to details in this series is brilliantly done. How they differentiate different worlds, how a locket was found by a character and how it reached there at the first place is shown very cleverly. Every event that occurred in the series has a history, and many of our unanswered questions and the things we think how it came to be in the first place is answered very perfectly. Writing. There is no doubt that the writer of this series has done a very praiseworthy job. Every events are pre-thought, and the characters and how they will behave in different situations is written brilliantly. As a viewers, we can see the hard work done by the creators and writers while making the series. Background score. The Dark series also can be praised for its brilliant background score, which gives the thrilling and horrifying vibe every time we hear it. There is no overuse of music, and it is played to give the character more intensity in many scenes. Slow burn. There are 8 episodes in this season, and as the episode increases we get more involved in this series. But mind one thing, this series is a slow burn. We are provided with all the answers in different episodes, but slowly, which makes us more engaged in this series, more eagerly waiting to know how this event happened and how the characters will deal with this situation. Confusing. I know that this series is too much confusing for many people, and I too was also confused while starting this series, but as the story progressed I began to understand what was happening. But in this season, 2 worlds are shown, which creates a confusion in which world the event are taking place, and after certain interaction between characters, only then we understand in which world the event is taking place. Even though this season is confusing, after watching 2 or 3 episodes, you can easily differentiate between 2 worlds. I think this series after the movie Predestination has shown the bootstrap paradox such brilliantly, and if you are thinking of watching a series, I will highly recommend this series. This series is one of those rare gems which has incredibly shown time travel and how it can affect our past, present and future. So let me know what you think of this series in the comment section, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe if you are into this kind of stuff. So that's it for today. See you in the next one.